Okay, here's a note to self and whoever else is listening. When you check your bags, make sure you figure out what your final destination is for your bags. I have an overnight stay in Istanbul, and my bags are actually checked all the way through to Bodrum, but that's not until tomorrow about 5:20 in the afternoon. So now I have to wait about 30 minutes for them to retrieve my bag. So pay attention, people. And I should know this, you know? I missed it though. One of our bags was never put on the flight from Frankfurt to Istanbul. Mr. Derek Wade over there. Poor guy. Yep. He has no bag for tonight. Good thing is we're staying at Airbnb, so he can get fresh for tomorrow. Hopefully his bag will be in Bodrum when we arrive tomorrow at about 6 o'clock in the evening, 7 o'clock.
Watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the